Oh yeah, Terry here from Martin's. We're going to show you how to operate the seeder. So what we'll do is, it's just a foot plate, just stand on for operation. Drive handles. This is your right brake and your left brake. So we'll put your seed in here. So you have your seed in here. This is your little agitator. This will rotate with the speed of that roller, so it doesn't really matter what speed you're operating at. This handle here lets down the seed flap, so that will allow your seed to drop. This one here will open and close the chute. So we have a set here is between 45 to 50, and what that is perfect for is a new lawn. So you just give it a couple of passes. So we'll start her up, switch her on, choke, drive her up then. So we'll just go in first gear, and away we go. So as we're driving, our seat is on, and what we do is we let her flat down. Simple as that. So if you want to do your turning, do that. Hold your left handle to assist. Let go, she'll straighten out. Turn right, hold your right handle, and start to turn right. That's pretty much it.